Why is it so hard to accept the party is over?
Packing. The thing you always wait till last minute to do. So I already wrote down all my outfits ahead of time because I'm just the type of person that likes to have their outfits planned so that they know what to wear and don't have to like pack a bunch of random stuff. Let's pack. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna pack all my toiletries in. And so all that's like makeup, toothbrush, stuff like that. So I'll just do a little haul as I pack it. So first we have my deodorant. And then this lotion. This contour palette. And this palette. And then I have my face moisturizer. And my makeup. My mascara and concealer, my mascara, and I use this for my eyebrows too, then just some lip gloss, my hair oil, concealer, makeup sponges, my perfume, and a little hair clip, and then my hairbrush. So that's just what's going in there, and then I'll do like my bathroom stuff in here, my shower wash for my face oil, face toning spray, another deodorant, my gua sha, floss, face roller and hairband, toothbrush and toothpaste, cotton rounds, razor. That's everything for in there. But then in a different bag I have my face cleanser, body wash, shampoo and conditioner, another face moisturizer. So now I'm going to fully organize and pack my suitcase. Well, I'm all packed. Let's get going.